In this video, you will learn how to file Form 1099-R in Turbotax. Sign in and open your return. Log into Turbotax and open your tax return. Search for 1099-R. Use the search bar at the top. Type 1099-R. Then click Jump to 1099-R. Link that appears. Start the 1099-R section. Turbotax will ask you if you've received a 1099-R. Select Yes and continue. Choose how to enter it. If your 1099-R provider supports it, you can import it directly into Turbotax. If not, type it myself, then click Enter my details manually. Enter your 1099-R form. Enter all the information exactly as it appears on the form. This will include box amounts, distribution codes, payers' names and ID, federal and state taxes withheld. Answer follow-up questions. Turbotax will ask questions to determine the distribution you should be taxed. Early withdrawals, rollover, pensions, etc. Review and confirm. After entering the form, review your answer and continue through the rest of your return. Now you know how to file your 1099-R form with Turbotax. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.